Hey, Bridget Rose. Where are you zooming around the greenhouse to? Looks like you picked up some compost. Or you picked up some things to make some compost with. Hey, don't mind my my perfectly lined row of kale there. You just gonna mow it over? Here, why don't I redirect you? You ready? Zoom, zoom, Bridget. Farmer Bridget on the go. Wow. Look at you go. Coming? We gotta check the alignment on this thing. It keeps wanting to go to your left. Yeah. Well, now it wants to go right over that poor kale plant. Say bye-bye, kale. Bye-bye, kale. Oh, no! What'd you do? Woo! Yeah. You ready to turn her around? You coming? We gonna do another lap? Another lap in the greenhouse? Woo! The Hoop House 500. Bridget Rose on the wheels. You coming? Push, push, push. Drive, drive, drive. Drive, drive, drive. Oh, we're gonna take a little pit stop? Yeah? Did you find something you want to put in the... Nope. All right, you coming? You got it. Here, I'll straighten you out a little bit there. There you go. Wow. There you go. Look at you go. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Look at you go. That's pretty rough terrain, too. You gonna chop in those feet? Chop those feet. There we go. Drive, drive, drive. Oh, don't take a pit stop to stomp on the kale. Woo! Look at you go. Vroom, vroom. You can show everyone how you do that. Look at you go. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Are you starting your engine? Start your engines. Ready? Go, 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 go. Go. Hey, we are having some fun out here in the greenhouse, Hoop House. There you go. I'll line you up again. What's the temperature out here, Bridge? It's right about 70. Oh, you gonna check your cargo? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you remember tearing that up a few days ago? I think that was in a past video. Yeah. Yeah, you did that. It's a beautiful day out here, though. Sun's is shining. We open the window up even. Or open the sidewall up. Give us a little cooler air. Getting her exercise in. Yeah. Earlier, Bridget, I want me to tell everyone, you had crawled all the way over there. And there, oh, you're going to tear that up. I'll show everyone. There's some snow, and you kept rubbing your hands in it and then crying because your hands were getting freezing cold. Do you remember that? Until finally I had to come pick you up. And we made it all better, though. How about that, Bridget Rose? You want to tell everyone bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you don't want to go yet? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, we love you guys. We'll see ya.